I'm in love with the go-go. I'm in love.
Just fucking go with it, eh? I'll give you a step, alright? Here we go.
Before we break the sound barrier, we need to understand our basics. Do you think you can just hop in an F-22 Raptor and just go fucking woo 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 like the first time you go into it? No. Get it right. So let me make myself clear. Let me make a diagram to better illustrate my point. Safety, people. Safety. I am literally Picasso incarnated. You might be wondering, what the fuck is all of this shit? This is some fucking shit you might just see in a junkyard, but what does this all mean? This is a triangle.
No shit.
If you're familiar with the food pyramid, there are certain foundational moves or foods, moves, whatever. What the fuck is the shuffling pyramid? You might be like, boom, there it is for you, so you can actually read it. This shit's above Running Man and T-Step because there are many different ways you can shortcut these moves. Your foundational moves, there's no way to shortcut this.
There's no different angle, no clever solution, no trickety trick that's gonna move that rock.
Up here, yeah, you can customize this however you want and do all this, but you need to get your foundation correct first before you do any of this.
You gotta be healthy, man. It's like life's like a pyramid, right? And you can't do the top stuff if you don't have the bottom stuff. You gotta like eat, sleep, fucking.
Foundation comes first. There are so many different ways you can do a spin, so many different ways to kick, so many different ways to glide, but there's only one way to do a Running Man, and there's only one way to do a T-step. You have to get this right before you can attempt any of this. I'm gonna start off with the Running Man first. We're getting into the Running Man. Now, just run, 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 run. Dance like this, dance like that. Walk around, man, you can dance like that. There are two steps to a Running Man. You have your up stance in your Running Man, and you have your down stance for your Running Man. You have an up and down, and up and down. When you do the Running Man, your front foot that is right next to your knee steps forward at the exact same time that your leg slides back. Up, down, up, down. When doing a Running Man, you are micro bouncing. Every time that you step down with your front foot, you're hitting the beat to like any track, or if it's like a kick or whatever. Bing, left, right, ba, 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 ba. If you look back on 07 shufflers, all those compilations we all know, love, and see, I'm gonna tell you right now, they're all two-stepping. I can understand how someone can look at this and think that they're one-stepping because they're going so fast. But from a technical standpoint, they are doing a two-step Running Man. There is a big difference between what a one-step Running Man looks like and a two-step Running Man. This is a one-step. This is a two-step. This is a one-step. This is a two-step. This is a one-step. This is a two-step.
This is a chicken.
Do I make myself clear? If you're going hard style, you gotta get the two-step down. If you're trying to get... God, shut the fuck up! And you might be wondering, how do I get those deep, big lunges of Running Man? To keep it with your real chief, that's a lot of stamina right there.
You gotta stay fucking fit. Now when you do that, you need to do it in fat pants. So all the hard stuff, sweat comes to you. And it's fucking awesome, eh? Oh shit, yeah.
A tip that I have for you, that's something that I like to practice myself. I just move down just like a little bit.
Wider,
You're not even looking.
So now you're just bending your knees. That gives me tons more space to actually like lunge forward and kick my other leg backwards to have that wider running man. However, foundation comes first. Foundation comes first.
Going on and raise Ramon. That's that shit. Dance like this. Walk around, man. You can dance like this.
One egg foo young, but just take out the foo young. And I want a T step with no T. Oh, I can get it. 20 minutes? All right, I'll see you. That T step doesn't actually have to be a T. If you are a novice learner that is brand new to hardstyle shuffling, there is a T because it is the most basic form of this step.
And just basically worry about getting your feet to the right place, not so much moving in tune to the music.
The only thing that I'm really focusing on is the heel-toe pivoting action. Them going either left or right or whatever. It's the heel-toe action that you've been seeing. It's in a lot of sea walking, even Charleston. It's the heel-toe. Emphasis on the heel-toe. That one foot is still doing like a heel-toe, but that other leg can honestly go wherever the fuck it wants to go, so long as you like keep balance and have that heel-toe action in place. A T-step can be one of the most versatile moves in your moveset if done properly. But as you're going more and more on, if you want to, you know, do some more freestyling action, kind of experiment with your style, get yourself familiar with reverse T-stepping. Usually you're stepping into your other leg, but it's technically going the other way. Like I said, foundation first. You got to get the heel toe in, and then that other leg, it can do whatever. But for novice learners, just this heel toe. Oh, I have this other final trick that I'm trying to do right here that I'm going to teach you really quick. It's the end of the video